Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Beware of trademark squatters, a warning this evening from the Jamaica Promotions Corporation JAMPRO to local producers who are reluctant to trademark their work. In 2014, the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, published an economic working paper looking at the phenomenon of trademark squatting. That's a situation in which someone other than the original brand owner obtains a trademark on a brand. According to WIPO, the squatting results from market uncertainty that leads brand owners to rationally forego registering trademarks, creating opportunities for squatting. Trademark squatting is particularly prevalent in China, but there are increasing cases in other parts of the world. That's why the Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO, is urging Jamaicans to take advantage of the Madrid Protocol and trademark their intellectual property as soon as possible.
This is why we encourage you to trademark early, because trademark squatting is a thing, and persons are looking for products that are gaining popularity in domestic territories that have not been trademarked internationally. So that is something to consider if you think that that value might be lost in a territory like the US.
Senior Promotion Officer at JAMPRO, Shavar Harris, explained that the country loses billions of dollars every year because intellectual property isn't properly protected.
According to the IMF, cross-border flows of royalties, licenses, and fees increased from $3.5 billion in 1970 to approximately $700 billion in 2015. RLF receipts and payments in the world economy grew at a relatively quick rate, 10% per annum average. Still, today, high-income countries make up for the bulk, close to 99% of RLF receipts, almost unchanged from 10 to 15 years earlier. And those countries, those high-income countries, make up 84% of royalty payments.
At the same time, Deputy Director at the Jamaica Intellectual Property Office, Dr. Marcus Goff, says it may be challenging to reverse the work of trademark squatters in some instances.
I mean, it's really a first come, first serve. So if you want to go to the USA and when you go over there, you see that there's somebody already using the same or very similar trademark, then you would have a difficulty to get yours registered. You could try to challenge their registration, if you think that there's somehow fraudulent or, maybe, it's misrepresenting, there's some reason why it should not have been registered. But generally speaking, you would have the burden to try to have their trademark invalidated. And if you can't, you have to choose something else.
Massey Jamaica has completed the acquisition of Massey Holdings' regional information technology and communications line of business, Massey Technologies. Massey completed the acquisition through its newly formed subsidiary PBS Technology Group. Following a transition period and approvals, Massey intends to merge PBS Technology Group and Productive Business Solutions. The combined businesses will have over $250 million of annual revenue, operate in 19 countries, and have over 2,100 information technology professionals. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $144.05. The Canadian dollar closed at $110.88. The pound is going for $187.72, while the euro is being sold for $172.47. The JSE index lost 3,353 points today, while the junior market index gained 9 points. Among the winners were Cargo Handlers, Consolidated Bakeries, Stanley Motor, Proven Investments, and Express Catering. Now on the losing side were Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Fosrich, Lumber Depot, 1834 Investments, and Iron Rock Insurance. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.